Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Joist Estimate Invoice Maker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Joist is a mobile app designed for contractors, freelancers, and small business owners to create professional estimates, invoices, and manage projects efficiently. The app offers customizable templates, client and project management, automated payment reminders, and PDF export for easy sharing. It also supports tracking project progress, keeping client records organized, and integrating with other business tools for streamlined workflow. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by users for its intuitive interface, quick estimate and invoice creation, and reliable project tracking. Many like that it allows on-the-go management, reduces paperwork, and keeps clients updated with professional documents. Syncing across devices and personalization options further enhance its usability. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features require a subscription, which may not suit every budget. Offline functionality is limited, and certain users report occasional glitches or delays when handling large projects. Its full potential depends on using premium templates and features, so the free version may feel somewhat basic. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Joist app may be worth using if you're a contractor, freelancer, or small business owner looking for a mobile-friendly, reliable, and professional estimate and invoice solution. It shines in convenience, usability, and project management features. However, if you prefer fully offline or entirely free solutions, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.